Hello guys, welcome to another video of this course. In this video, we shall be talking about visual hierarchy. Visual hierarchy is about how we look at designs. Does it sound weird? So let's put it in another way. We as designers should put ourselves in users' shoes in order to realize how they see our designs. Content in any digital page will pursue a particular hierarchy. For instance, menus go to the top, bottom, left, or right of the screen, or a combination of this. Headers appear above body text. Hierarchy is a simple way of saying organized from most to least important. It is important to remember that users define the hierarchy of an app or website. The item that first grabs the user's attention is at the top of the hierarchy. The following are visual specifications a designer must utilize to influence users' understanding of the information. We have the size. The larger the element, the more attention it will attract. Color. Bright colors are more noticeable than muted ones. Alignment. An element with a different alignment of others will attract more attention. Contrast. Sharply contrasting colors will catch the eye easily. Proximity. Elements which are placed closely together appear more related. Repetition. Repeating styles can indicate that content is related. And lastly, white space. More space between elements will draw more attention to them. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you in the next video.